Last time on the One Product Challenge, I went back to Mario's to get an update on where he was at, but was stood wondering if he was going to turn up. We analysed a product sample along with his packaging, which really made me concerned about the quality Mario was striving for. Now it needs to be done, as in this will hold us up. It does show a lack of care and attention to detail. Finally, I gave him a list of everything he needed to get done in order to order. On today's episode, I visit Mario and get serenaded upon arrival.
Got this side chick see me and that jiggle near.
It's order day! We jumped straight in with the goal of getting stock ordered. However, what I thought would be a quick trip turned into a world of pain that nearly brings the entire challenge to an abrupt halt.
Run out of batteries for my mouse and I don't know if I've got any more. I mean, I'm trying to stay calm, but if you weren't here with a camera, I'd probably be throwing stuff around.
And we frantically try to fix the issue so that we can get his stock ordered before I leave.
$335 extra that the FBA charges would have.
He's a liar, and I no longer have trust in my supplier.
All that and more on today's episode of the One Product Challenge. Alright, no time to waste. I haven't had any breakfast. So I'm going to put this in my mouth and then I'm going to get in the car and then drive to Mario's, order some stock, try and get back because I've got a ton of things to do today. But it's going to be another great installment of the One Product Challenge. You going to be good while I'm gone? Here. Let me in. How you doing?
Come in, mate, come in.
Good.
Hi, my name's Mario and I'm a student of the SellerPro Academy.
It's order day! Yeah!
Over the past few weeks, I've been taking part in the One Product Challenge with Jonny Bradley, and today is the day I'm going to order my stock.
I've got this one.
Had a chat with some of the neighbours, set up a little welcoming party for Jonny.
Me I wonder how the bugger them end up here, me want fly.
Should we go inside? Lionel Douglas, you are a cat. Today I need to confirm everything is ready to order and double check all the work that Mario has done. So Mario, how do you feel today?
I am excited. This is the combination of several weeks' work, and I'm excited to hopefully start my journey to become a 10k club member and then a 100k club member. Even just to get to this point where I am now, I've learned so much. So of course I hope this goes really well, but even if it doesn't, I've upskilled myself so much that I know I could do it again and make it work. Not a baby cow.
Not a baby cow, bro. Drink oat milk.
Yes. Look at the branding of the oat milk.
George. Nordic oat drink?
How about
Oh, is that where you got the idea?
No, that's a sign. There's no affiliation with Jord Nordic Oat Drink.
Last time, focus on the branding, focus on getting that right so you could be in a position to order your products today.
Yeah.
However, on Monday, we had a little Zoom call where we just went through some of the more intricate details that you needed to get set up Tuesday, Wednesday, so that we could actually order today.
I haven't finished my packaging yet. Jonny keeps telling me it's not good enough, but you know what? I agree with him, it's not. But since we've been going through this process, now I understand the kind of standards that are required, and I'm determined to get there.
But we made a few decisions that this barcode is not going to be like this. We're going to have a whole strip along the bottom to spread things out because you've got put a lot of information, on that.
Yeah.
You're going to have bullet points, but the bullet points are going to be small versions of this.
Yeah. Going back now and looking at the first packaging that I showed Jonny, it's just a bit crap.
Cool. So that's that. But the problem is that that's going to delay us.
Yeah.
Because it's not ready today, right?
No, it's not. It would be I think a few days till I've got that. But I spoke to the supplier and that's okay. Look, I get people watching at home probably thinking, why do we keep talking about packaging? It's not that important, but actually it really is. If I compare what other people are doing to what I'm hoping to bring to market, it's going to be a lot better and it's going to really help me stand out.
Today I want to confirm that you have everything you need to order.
Yeah.
Right. So what we're looking at is you've done your shipping plan. Okay.
Yeah.
And for anyone that doesn't know, when you send products to Amazon, you have to create a shipping plan, which is telling Amazon what they're going to be receiving.
If I didn't have the help of the Academy and I was trying to do this on my own, it'd be difficult because I think I'd be having to spend a lot of time Googling and looking on YouTube for various bits of information. But the concern around that is I don't know what I'm looking for.
Contract, so sending a contract to the supplier. We went through that on the Zoom call the other day.
Yeah.
Again, just want to have a look at it because I know that there were some amendments made. Just before, again, we order, just to double check before you pay the money. All that's got sort of good stuff. I do expect that there's going to be a few amendments that need to be made because this stuff is quite complicated. Fortunately, because he's got the Academy, there shouldn't be that many mistakes to overcome. And then it should be a case of, going on Alibaba, finding the order.
Yeah.
If they've created it.
Yeah, they have. He sent me the trade assurance.
Perfect. We'll check that as well.
Yeah.
So we're going to check everything, do all our due diligence.
Please.
And then we're going to send some money to them. Yeah.
I've got the money.
Yeah, good.
Waiting there, waiting to be spent.
All right, okay, let's go spend it. Right, good. Oh, no, I'm stuck. Mario, what's happening?
Run out of batteries for my mouse and I don't know if I've got any more.
Oh, no. So we can't order any products.
Oh, no.
This is...
My drawer of shit.
Oh, no.
Temporary solution. And then I'll get some more later.
All right, run.
Go. Absolute nightmare. Yes!
Yes! Okay, so what I'm looking at here is just to make sure that you've actually done it correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to Coventry.
Coventry.
Coventry, why not?
Someone's got to go to Coventry.
Yeah, I know. Sorry for anyone that lives in Coventry. I've been to Coventry once. It was nice. Okay, so the only thing to do is wait, and then you see where it says mark as shipped.
Yeah.
Once it's shipped, you press mark as shipped.
So I've done it.
No,
basically.
you've done it correctly. You've done it correctly.
This is the order.
You should see all the details. You see all the drop downs and stuff like that.
Shipping details.
All right. So, just talk us through what's happened.
So shipping terms that they put down are not what we agreed.
Okay. So the shipping terms on the Alibaba contract are not the same as the contract that you agreed with them.
We agreed FOB, and in the trade terms in the contract they've put down FCA.
So it's only a small difference, but what I think is best is just to ring the freight forwarder and just find out from them, because it's 8 o'clock in China at the moment. You might not get a response, basically. So let's call Westbound.
Westbound, good morning.
Welcome to Westbound Logistics Services, where every customer is a VIP.
All of this might not make a lot of sense right now, all these different shipping terms, but let me try and break it down to you a little bit. When you're shipping, there are these 3-letter acronyms that dictate who is responsible for what logistical process or what fees to pay. For example, who is responsible for paying the tax at what end, who's responsible for getting it on a ship, to delivering it at Amazon. All those things are depicted in the 3-letter acronym. The problem is that for most beginners, actually people that have been doing this a while, it's quite confusing as to what acronyms mean what terms. This is where people can really make mistakes very, very easily.
Jamie, hi, it's Mario. We spoke yesterday.
Hi, yeah, you okay?
Yeah, good, thanks. You?
Good, yes, I'm all good, thank you.
Good. So you gave me a quote yesterday for a shipment based on FOB terms. I'm about to make the initial payment to my supplier, and in the contract they've written the trade terms as FCA.
FCA, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's not what I was expecting. So I just wondered, from your experience, what implications that might have.
Okay, no worries. So yeah, no, this is obviously, I'm glad to come up to this point rather than later on down the line. So basically, we've had it quite a few times where we agree FOB terms with the customers, get the booking without based on that, and then it turns out to be like FCA or expert terms. So obviously the collection is kind of the main cost that is on there. Let me quickly, $335 extra that the FBA charges would have.
Right.
No worries, cheers Mario.
Cheers mate. Bye.
Bye.
Cheeky buggers.
Cheeky. Right, now they could have just made a mistake.
Right.
So get onto that chat with your supplier and just say, can you change that to FOB, please?
He only read it. He's only come back online now. I've said I'm trying to pay. He was ignoring my messages before that. No, it's.
How are you feeling right now?
Well, I'm a bit annoyed because I feel like he's tried to shaft me. I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt because he's been really good up to now. So I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt and giving him a chance to tell me he's made a mistake and he's going to change it. I don't know if he's new or whether these are genuine mistakes or whether he's trying to pull the wool over my eyes or whatever, but this is really annoying.
Right, what's happened now?
Well, he's come back and said, because there is no FOB payment expression on Alibaba, so I make it FCA.
Well, that's not true.
Well, yeah. Well,
Right, let's tell him. At this point, I'm pretty concerned that the supplier is actually lying to Mario rather than making an honest mistake. And if they don't change this, then I might have to tell Mario that we have to find another supplier, which is going to put us back quite a few weeks.
I've learned that it's really important for me to be thorough when going through this kind of thing. On this one occasion, this would have cost me $350. I'm glad I picked it up, but I know next time I need to keep a close eye on this stuff. You assume you want cold water?
Yeah, I would like cold water, please.
Yeah.
So you can see how easy it is to get things wrong, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you weren't here, I wouldn't have noticed that.
Yeah.
That's $355. I'd be out of pocket. I mean, he says FOB isn't available, so doing FCA instead, but that's not true. It's like someone saying, sorry, the red car you ordered isn't available, so I've just given you a blue one instead. It's like, it's not what I wanted. It's not what we agreed. This isn't even for dramatic effect. Yeah.
Look at the panic in his eyes.
I mean, I'm trying to stay calm, but if you weren't here with a camera, I'd probably be throwing stuff around.
Yeah. Yeah. At this point, I was a little bit worried that we wouldn't be able to order today. It's about 8 p.m. in China, so potentially I might have to go home and come back again another day.
Can I swear?
Yeah, I can bleep it out.
For fuck's sake! Come on!
So it's a good job that we phoned westbound, spoke with Jamie, and we've got a reply.
Oh.
We've got a reply.
I will indicate the FOB clause in Pi.
Pro forma invoice.
Pro forma invoice.
Yeah, in the invoice.
So is that acceptable if he does that?
Well, if he changes it.
So if he changes where it says trade terms, if he changes that to show that,
Yeah.
is that?
Yeah, you can't have conflicting though. You can't have in one place it's FOB and then in another place it's FCA. It needs to be FOB.
Okay.
You've agreed to pay FOB, and it should say nothing other than FOB.
Ah.
All right. Okay. We've got a reply. We've got a new order.
Looks like it.
Okay. So press send initial payment, or you can just refresh the order form.
Seller has modified the contract.
Damn right.
See,
What?
he lied to me.
lied to you?
Trade terms FOB. He lied to me.
How do you feel?
I'm annoyed. Like, I'd rather he lied and said sorry, it was a mistake. Now he's a liar, and I no longer have trust in my supplier.
Okay. So what are you gonna do?
I'm just going to order from him. I'm really glad this is all sorted now. I'm ready to make the payment, and I'm absolutely buzzing. This isn't his first rodeo. He's done this before. He knows. He's just tried to pull the wool over my eyes.
Damn you, Alan! Damn you!
Yeah, this is like, I feel like I could have backed out at any point, and I'm committed now. What?
So basically, it saved you $150 that you would have paid for no reason.
Yeah,
It's also saved you $350 from extra shipping.
355.
Okay, so if you would like, I do take card,
Yeah,
so you could just give those savings directly to me.
I will buy you lunch.
All we have to do at this point is initiate a money transfer, and then his products will be manufactured and they will be shipped straight to Amazon. So we want to do not an online transfer because you're going to pay extra to do this. After the final check, I gave Mario the thumbs up to get his payment sorted, and let's get these products ordered. No, I'm not going to do it. No, you do it. Oh, there's a code!
Not just yet.
Oh, what an anticlimax.
Oh, it's gone.
6-digit code. You sent it.
It's gone.
You've sent money.
I've sent money. Jeez.
That's good. It's good. Do you feel
Gone.
good?
Yeah.
No, you feel bad?
No, I feel good. Like, yeah, I feel good.
Yeah.
It's exciting.
So now what?
I just to go and pour myself a whiskey.
All right.
And what time is it? 1 o'clock?
Yeah, that took a while, didn't it?
Yeah.
Now we do have a bit of a bombshell for this episode.
Before I started this challenge with Jonny, I hadn't actually told them, but I wanted to move to Cyprus. Nothing was confirmed, just because of what's going on.
Mario did inform me that he's confirmed to be moving out of the country in a few weeks' time, which does mean that recording these episodes is going to get more tricky, but does give me a very, very good excuse to go to Cyprus for work. No, really for work.
I'm hopeful that this is going to have no impact on the challenge at all, other than Jonny having to make a bit more of an expensive trip to come and see me. I know that there's other people in the academy that started in the UK and then moved abroad, so I know it's going to be absolutely fine.
By the next episode, he should have his products in the UK. They should be selling.
These episodes that we're doing, they're only 15 minutes long, but in the background, Jonny and I have been working really hard on the social media and getting the product ready for launch. So I'm really excited for the next episode to be able to show people exactly what we've done.
Of course, if there are any significant updates, we are going to do it virtually because I can't just hop on a plane, especially with the current climate. So it's going to be really interesting to see how the next few weeks develop as we get his products manufactured, we get them shipped and we get them selling.